Welcome back to the weekly Brooklyn property market update brought to you by Engel & Volker's Brownstone, Brooklyn. My name is Katriona, and of course I'm joined again today by Donald Brennan. How are you, Donald?
Doing well, Katriona. Good to see you. How was your break?
Very nice, actually, really peaceful.
Yeah, likewise. The hectic fall for sure, so it's nice to take a few days to spend with family.
So let's get back and look at the data from last week for the new to market and in contract transactions for those properties priced below 2.25 million, and of course the luxury market priced above 2.25 million in the 16 key Brooklyn neighborhoods that we currently track. So Donald, was everyone at home eating turkey last week, or were there actually people out there looking because there were new properties coming to market still?
Yeah, so I personally did not host any open houses this weekend, but speaking to some of our team members here, seems to be some decent average to, if not above average, foot traffic at the properties that we have on the market. Weather may have played a part in that. Obviously a beautiful, beautiful weekend here in Brooklyn. So, still buyers out there looking for the right property.
Definitely. And so was there a pattern to the types of properties that actually did go into contract last week? I mean, it was a shorter week for sure.
Yeah, the greatest demand seems to be still with townhouses in the luxury segment for sure. 8 deals going into contract last week, which is holding steady on that same pace that was established both in October and November. So they seem to be performing the best.
And so is the luxury market showing those signs of slowing up as we approach the end of the holiday season and the end of 2020? And is it doing that more so than maybe the below 2.25 million market?
Great question. The inventory, for sure, of new to market listings is dropped significantly last week. And again, it could be because of the shortened week, but only 4 new luxury categorized properties coming to market off of a pace of almost 12 in November and 19 in October. So big jump down. That change from October to November was a 41% drop in average new to market listings. Same kind of trend for the below 2.25 segment, not as significant as what we've seen the luxury end, but just about a 30% drop in new to market listings from October to November. On the in contract side, both segments holding their own and keeping steady with averages set over the previous 8 weeks or so. 11 deals going into contract in the luxury segment last week, and 39 for below the 2.25. So off their pace there on the below 2.25, but still quite a healthy number looking at the more recent averages over November.
So here we are in December the 1st. So do you have any expectations for December?
Well, traditionally a slower time of year, right? Most people start to focus on other things other than the real estate needs. And so the market kind of winds down a little bit. That said, getting inbound calls all morning today and yesterday about properties that we have on the market. Unfortunately, some of those have already found buyers or in the process of getting contracts negotiated and signed. But at the lower price points, still very active as far as we're concerned here with the properties that we have in the marketplace. As you move up, changes a little bit. Expectations on the buy side of say the higher priced townhouses, that pool of participants maybe who's been on the sidelines for quite a few months here and expecting discounts to asking prices, which may not materialize, by the way. Certainly there's people buying properties, closing on properties that need work, and happy to invest into those properties. And those are longer term kind of commitments. And that's a healthy deal flow there. Obviously not in the volume wise as in the lower portion of the marketplace, but still what I consider to be healthy and a great sign of people committed to row house, low density living, which is one of the primary housing types here in Brooklyn.
So that's it from us. Check back in next week, of course, for more accurate and informed observations on the Brooklyn property market. And Donald, take us out with a few final comments as usual.
Yeah, just always want to stress that we are here for your individual needs. Talking about highlights here, talking about some of the larger data points in the marketplace here. But we know every real estate transaction is personal, whether you're a seller, a buyer, or a landlord. And we can provide the specific information to help you achieve your goals. So don't hesitate to reach out to me. Katriona, our contact information is at the end of this video, and happy to help you. So don't hesitate.
For sure. That's it. And we'll see you next week as we enter in the last 4 weeks of 2020. Be interesting to see how things go. Thank you and goodbye.
Good day.